Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway, and a quick update on the video I posted yesterday on the 9F sound settings. So one of the things I love about YouTube and YouTube videos is the fact that I get feedback and comments from people, and I'd like to specifically thank Stuart Aaron for a couple of suggestions that he made after the video yesterday. So I've changed those two CVs to the settings he suggested. One was for the articulated exhaust, to take that off completely, and the other was to change the CV114, which is the number of chuffs per rotation. So having made those two changes, I hope we'll hear what this sounds like, and definite improvement. I think we are pretty much there. Change direction. So let me swap the CVs on the black 9F, and we'll listen to that one, and I think we're about done. So having made the same changes to this local, let's start this one up. So I think, yes, definitely pleased with this. I'll put these changes in the description in this, so we have a final list of CVs and values. So let's just look at some of the other sounds here while I'm here that I didn't do before. So F10 is the blowdown. And F13 is the couple and uncouple. And the F23 is the guard whistle and coach door slam. We also have a water stop. And then we do also have a brake squeal. Thanks for watching, and also thank you very much to my YouTube viewers who commented and provide such great feedback. Please like if you like the video, and subscribe with that button to the top right, another video to the top left.